Welcome back, humble traders. Today I'll be doing a technical breakdown on NIO, ticker symbol NIO. If you're new to the channel, remember to take a second to give the video a like and subscribe as it really help out the channel. Do note that I do not provide any buy or sell calls, but focus on potential traps laid out by the market makers. Without further ado, let's take a look at NIO for the week. So you can see that NIO on Monday, we actually had a good start for the week. However, we did see a very bearish looking engulfing candle the very next day on Tuesday. And bearish engulfing is usually the candle appears bigger than the one the day before. And we definitely saw 3 days of continuous selling, and we closed the week at almost near the bottom at around $20 flat. However, we did see some support coming in at the 1980, 1970, which is a good sign because buyers have to actually guard this position very well. If the stock is healthy and if the stock wants to continue its bullish momentum, then this 1980, 1970 has to hold. In the event that we do break down and the sellers were to dominate next week, then I'm looking at a potential support at the baseline. You can see that this red line here, it acts as a good support at 1850. Furthermore, you can see that it was also the previous support coming in on this particular day here. So this 1850 is a very critical support. In the event that we do break down this baseline support, then things will turn very ugly. As of now, this 1970 and 1980 is still holding pretty well. You can see that we are actually blocked by the clouds. So on the way up, the cloud act as a resistance. Even though on Monday and Tuesday, we did try to penetrate through the clouds, but we failed because we did not have enough buying strength to actually break through these clouds. So nonetheless, the cloud will still act as a resistance and it will continue acting as a resistance in the upcoming week. So you can see some struggle along here around this $20 and $21 when NIO will struggle to clear this resistance unless there is a sentiment change and there's the delisting fears are no longer around. Let's take a look at the MACD. You see that the MACD here has already lost some momentum, which is very similar to stocks like Alibaba and the other Chinese stocks. You can see that all the MACD has really started to turn and the momentum is really lost. But in the event that we can have just a blue line cutting below the orange line for just a short period of time, and thereafter the blue line managed to go back above the orange line once again, then is a potential correction that is over. So I think this upcoming week, the two crucial supports to watch are 1970 and 1850. In the event that we can hold these two supports pretty well, then NIO should be able to climb back up to reclaim back its 23 and even $24 struggles that it actually faced. And 1850 were to break down, then the 1740 support here, it also acts as a potential support for NIO. But that being said, I think that 1970 for now still acts a very strong support for NIO. So yeah, in the event that there's any changes, I'll give you guys an update. Thanks for stopping by and don't forget to subscribe as you keep the channel intact. Leave a comment below if you have any other stock TA requests. Till we meet again, appreciate the manipulation.